Today I'm going to taste test this particular pepper. Okay, so this one is called the Orange Starfish. Not sure its history. I believe it's a pepper lovers cross, and this is what they've been selling. It does have a PL number, so I do think it's a pepper lovers pepper. But I'm going to do a taste test right now and give you an idea what it tastes like. I have eaten a couple of these already, and they do got a very interesting bunch of characteristics to it. It's not just one thing. Let's take a bite. Sweet, very sweet. Some of them are more sweeter than others. It might have something to do with the cold weather. I've noticed that this pepper particularly has a nice sweet taste to it. It's got a very thin wall. It's very crunchy like. It's very, very crunchy. More crunchy than a fresh, hard bell pepper type thing. Very crunchy. It's almost weird like. And there is heat, but the only heat that I've noticed in this pepper is on the very bottom and going up into the placenta. Really not much heat on this thing at all. So let me take another bite. Okay, a little heat's coming in now. Very light in the heat. Again, it's got that fruity taste. No unpleasant perfume. The texture of it, very crunchy, very snappy, very thin wall. I would say this is probably a good pepper for pickling and stuff like that. I mean, you could put it in salads and things, but you kind of need a few of them and stuff. It does make a pretty good amount of peppers, but this would be like a good pickling pepper. So like at a bar, this is good because it really makes your mouth water up, kind of. But it's not hot where your mouth is watering from the heat. It's not that kind of, it's not real tangy. It's hard to explain. Heat-wise, I'm going to say probably about 150, 200 on the heat scale. It's very low. It's almost undetectable, but if you eat that placenta, you're probably going to push those numbers into the 500. So let me take one more bite. Yeah, it's definitely the kind of pepper. There's something in it that gets inside your sinuses and you want to sneeze, or you kind of cough a little bit. There's something in it. It's not that it's hot. There's just something in it that makes you want to sneeze. But I don't know what else to say about it. It's a good pepper. I definitely like that. I'm probably even going to bring that in. I'll show it to you. You can see it goes all the way up to here. This is like 5 feet tall. It got really tall, this plant. I like the taste a lot. It's kind of sweet, like I say, but it's not, don't have that smoky taste that'll go good in a salsa, though you could put it in salsa if you want to be creative. I don't know. This would probably go good. It'd go good in hot sauces and stuff, but you can see there's a bunch of juvenile plants here. There's like 4 or 5 in a pot. I'm going to bring this one in for the winter. Some of these plants don't look like they're going to live through the winter, and part of that reason is because I left them out here too long. You really want to bring your plants in before it drops below 50 degrees. 1 or 2 nights, yeah, you'll get away with it. Any more than that, the plant begins to go into a state of dormancy. It goes into like a long stage type dormancy, sort of like a deciduous tree does in your yard. The leaves turn yellow and fall, and the tree stays that way. That's what pepper plants do, the same thing. And I really don't like to winter them over that way, because bringing them back out into direct light and daylight seems like it kills them. So I usually like to leave it or get it in a semi-dormant state, bring them in with the leaves on it, and then it'll continue to grow and put out new buds and stuff throughout the winter. It seems like it does fine that way. If you wait till all the leaves fall off and then you bring it in, you may have a problem. I've had a couple die because I waited too long. So that's a side note. That was the Orange Starfish by the Pepper Lovers. That was your taste test and pepper review. And hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.